Okay, this bike has been sitting for a couple of weeks while I ordered in tires, and I just put them on, and now I'm going to start the bike after having it sit here for a little while. The new gasoline, the new E15 gasoline that we're running, causes the pilot jets to get clogged up just by their very nature. Just that stupid gasoline clogs up pilot jets, and pilot jets control starting and idle, and they're in the circuit all the way through full throttle. So the pilot jets are very important, and if you have a bike that's hard to start, pilot jets are a good place to start. Going down here, we're going to turn this in. This is the pilot air adjusting screw, and we're going to turn it in 1/2 turn, 1 turn, 1.5 turns, and just a little bit more all the way in. That was about 1 3/4 turn roughly. Once you've turned it all the way in, then you take it out, remembering that it took 1 3/4 turns when it was in there before. And take it out. That's your adjusting screw. It's the pointed one. The other one's flat. This is a little jet cleaner. I bought it online, cost $10, worth its weight in gold, well made. That's actually a 20,000th of an inch drill bit embedded in the end of it, and it'll clean that pilot jet very nicely. So you go in, and you feel when it breaks through the pilot jet's way in there, and sometimes you'll feel the crud. You can actually feel the crud that's built up on that jet, and you just keep cleaning it with this until it's nice and smooth. And then you put the adjuster back in, screw it in all the way, and then back it out the same 1/2 turn, 1 turn, 1 1/2, and just a tad bit more as it was when we took it out. So now that I've cleaned the pilot jets on both carburetors, I'll do a quick start and see how it goes. So just keep shooting the video. Let's see if it starts up. Gas on, a little bit of a tickle. There we go. And key on. Let's see how she goes. Okay, we're going to do a cold start and a test ride. This is a nice bike. I like this bike. You know, the ultimate triumph was supposed to not be the 1970. That's the last year for the small frame. Then they came out with these oil and frames, and nobody liked them. But frankly, the oil and frame bike with the 5-speed transmission is really a nice bike. So this guy's running great, started easy, runs smooth, shifts smooth, stops smooth. You can't ask much more from a vintage Triumph. I like this bike a lot. So I will now tell the client he can come get it. Thank you.